Let's use AI to show up for the same search keywords that our competitors show up for, but we don't. Searching for AI Notetaker. There's a lot of products in this category. Fireflies is there, but Granola, this new cool and trendy AI Notetaker, isn't showing up. I want to help Granola start showing up for the same key. I just type what I want to achieve in Sprites and hit go. And we're going to let the AI marketing agent do its thing and figure out how to get the job done. Sprites figured out a plan. We're going to go ahead and compare our target domain with our competitor's domain to identify the gaps in keywords that we're not showing up for. An AI agent node is going to process all that data and figure out the best keyword opportunities with worthwhile search volume. We're going to use Excel web search to basically get the SERP results and cluster keywords together. Then the agent goes ahead and figures out the best article outlines using our research to put together SEO optimized articles for us to publish, and it gets them ready in our CMS format. And at the end, it gives us a little executive summary of the job that was done. So let's check out what it was able to achieve with this workflow. Yeah, it correctly identified AI Notetaker with a search volume of close to 15,000 a month, where 25% of the results go to the top 3: AI-powered meeting assistant, free AI Notetaker, and meeting notes. 3 of them are pretty difficult to rank for. It is a very crowded space. However, there's at least 2 keywords that are medium difficulty, so we have a chance. Sprites has gone ahead and for each of our targeted keywords came up with an article, title, and a URL path that we should publish our article at, alongside the article in a SEO optimized format already done. I have my table. I don't need to do anything. I don't even need to know about SEO. It's already figured all that out. I have all my articles. I just take these and publish them in Webflow, Framer, WordPress, whatever my CMS system might be. I just get these articles up and start getting some web traffic. So Sprites is handling the entire SEO task for me, from opportunity finding to execution, which is pretty